So, hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, I see your baby girl now, you know. So guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I'm just coming back from school. So why are you eating the thing? We want to unbox this carton you are seeing here, guys. So that's Harriet over there. I just washed her hair, you know. So I had the hair before. I just decided to weave it like this to make it like that. So look at who is here, who is always distracting mama when he's making video. Look at him there. Let me turn my camera. Look at him there. Sasha. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi now. Hi. Oh yeah, say it yourself. Oh yeah, say hi. I want to unbox with Mama, with Harriet. We are going to do it together. Let's unbox it. Let's see what is inside. Because I ordered 2 stuff in Amazon, you know. So I think this one is going to be it's called juice pressed, you know. So it's to press the juice, you know, to extract juice out of this out of fruits. So guys, I think the name is called juice pressed, you know. I think, but I don't know. I've forgotten the name, you know. So I bought the machine to be extracting juice, you know, to be extracting fruit, you know, because I was having it before, just that the thing gets spoiled, you know. So that's why I just decided to buy a new one, because when I'm using sorry, let me hand my camera away. So guys, when I'm using blender to blend juice for my family, for the children, mostly the children, you know, I with my husband don't have problem with that. But when I use what do they call it, blender to blend juice, and you know, when you are blending with blender, you must add water to it. So my children don't like it. They don't even like to drink that, you know. Mostly Harriet and Christopher, they always select, you know, because when I use water to blend the juice, they don't like it. Except I just press it with this machine. That's when they learn. Oh, everyone will just be excited to drink the juice, you know. And you guys know that I was having before, just that the thing got spoiled. Let me show you guys. This is the one that I was using before, so it got spoiled. This one self, it break. But something that is inside is not, it's small thing, no, but they just use this carton to bring it. I love their delivering a lot, you know. That okay, now so let's unbox it. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what they deliver. Let's see. I think it's it juice pressed. Fruit press. I think it's fruit, not even juice, because it's fruit you are going to press, not juice, you know. This is not for the camera. It's red. But this carton big. It's heavy. Christopher, remove the carton. The carton is so big. You know, when Amazon wants to bring something, they always bring it. They will protect the thing, the way they will protect the thing. Because of that thing, now the carton itself is dirty. It's dirty. Why Amazon now? Why this one? Go. Thing is big or more. Can you go shine on that way? Let's unbox it with. I bought it with hangable, you know. Oh. Hey, let's not spoil the thing, in case we want to return it, so that we can be able to send it back. Can you see how they protect it? That's why I like to buy something in Amazon. AliExpress, they don't make it guaka, or you'll bring it for you if it's spoiled on your own. Wow. Hey, it's certain. Oh wow, the machine is very big. Can you see inside? The machine is good, so I don't want you guys to spoil anything here. Give me. I thought I go. You don't sleep. You go to kindergarten. You will not. Thank God.
This like the other one.
So let's unbox. Thank you, Fosa. Thank you to lock that door.
Thank you. Oh.
What? So you did not even take water? Toothbrush. I'll fix them to see you, and I'll test it also, you know. So this one is just the best. I bought it finally, and then I think I ordered this stuff 3 days ago, you know, because they just reduced. I was just targeting it for a very long time. I think as they reduce it, that's when I just quickly press the other button and order it, you know. So, and this one is the machine. This is the machine I've been waiting. As you can see, this stuff is very heavy, you know. This is the thing that is pressing the juice. This one blend. This is the machine. I don't know whether it's machine. That normally when you put the juice, when you put the fruit, this is how it goes. You'll be pressing the fruit down. So I don't need to explain. No, let's just unbox. It's unboxing we are doing. Unbox.
I like this one.
I love this one. Me too. I like it more than the other one. Yes.
Yes.
Can you guys see? It's so nice. Everything is new. It's new.
It's ready.
They're all new. And this one is very easy self to fix. It's so easy. Yeah, that's one.
And you so that's
Yeah.
First, this one.
So this thing I've took a lot of my time today. But trust me, when I want to do something, I always want to get it right before any other things, you know. The thing you have to enter here like this, you know. You have to enter. So you have to check to make sure. Okay, so I'm tired. Yo, wow. I got
It's
it now.
right now.
So you enter. You enter. So the next thing is to add this one in. Ah, the thing said they add though. Oh, where's that one I first I took? Wait. Come on now, something today, sir. So this one now. How does they put this one?
This one to put that up.
Eh? I think this one they will just this one there. So I have fixed this one too. Why is you? We'll try it. Well, I'll wash it first. So guys, let's try it. Now we want to test it, you know. My children say that they want juice, you know, so let's try it. So we have to first wash it first before using it because can you see it's working? I off it. So it's working. Oh. Hey, it's not automatic. Oh, that's how you keep this one in the fridge. Keep that one. So that's it, guys. I want to start now. You want Harriet? Harriet, what did you do to your process? Hey, how is your? Where is that thing? Where is it? Where is that one? Nine, that, what did they call it? Ginger. Yes. Declining. Nine, declining, I caught here. I caught declining here. Oh, I put it.
I think so. No, by the other side. By the other side. Can I open it? Can I open it?
Leave it. No, only have to fit time. Okay, get it back. Sorry, so.
Yeah. Oh, that night.
I didn't come and take. This is the one with squeeze, you know? So.
Okay, let's do it. And then
Baba is. Baba, don't break up. Baba, don't break. It's so lekker. Take now. Hold it well. Give this one. I don't say one good one. Hey, bend though. Do you like it? It's so lekker. Go and give my first to drink. Don't give it. Don't be so. Come, I come. So the thing is bent. Come. Did you like it? Yeah. It tastes good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, leave comment by the comment section below. So happy to share my video. Comment, you know, subscribe.